The art of talking to AI. ChatGPT, if it's not working for you, you are doing it wrong. And I will teach you how to do it correctly. The way you construct your prompts, what I call the bright prompt. And I'm going to give it to you so you can use it. And this will change your life if you work with marketing. The B stands for brand. What is the name of the company and what do they do? The R stands for role. What is your role and what do you want the AI to do? The I stands for instructions. What is the task and what needs to be done? The G is the goal. The H is the how. And lastly, the most important one, I think, is the target. Like, what is the audience? How can a prompt like this actually look like? You work for a company named Truecaller, which is an app that helps people identify potential scam callers and ID unknown numbers. You're an expert when it comes to SEO with 15 years of advanced experience. We need to create blog posts for the website. The objective is to drive traffic and that we build trust. I need a 7-day content calendar for blog posting with SEO focus delivered. The target audience is Gen Zs in Sweden that are uncomfortable with getting calls from unknown numbers. It gives you everything. The keywords, the meta tags, the title, the headings, the meta descriptions, day 1, day 2, day 3, and you get that. And if you like that, it can write the blog post for you. And then you put some human magic on it, and you do your own stuff and make it personal, obviously. But it can help you a lot with that.